Hello students, we are here to learn the second part of the 12th chapter. Okay? पाठ 12 क्या है? चैप्टर का नाम क्या है? घमंडी का सिर नीचा. As you know, this is a story of two trees, a bamboo tree and a black plum tree. Okay? जामुन का पेड़ और फिर क्या है? बांस का पेड़. You know that जामुन का पेड़ was so arrogant, no? And it asked the bamboo tree to stand firmly at the ground when the wind blows, isn't it? No need to be polite to the wind. That's the matter. Okay. Then what happened? The bamboo told that it replied politely, no, no. It is good to do like that. Okay, bow ourselves when the wind comes. We should respect the mighty wind. Okay. So then what happened? After this, what happened? Want to think about it now, and we'll find out what happened. Then we'll start from page number 76. Okay. Now listen, all of you. The second paragraph. We start the second paragraph. 76. बांस का पेड़ अपनी बात पूरी नहीं कर सका. That we have learned earlier. We have took that. Once more I am taking. बांस का पेड़ अपनी बात पूरी नहीं कर सका. तभी जामुन का पेड़ अत्यंत क्रोधित होकर उसकी बात को काटकर बोला. उसकी बात काटकर बोला, किसी भी प्रकार की हवा मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकती. Yes, बांस का पेड़, when bamboo tree told like that, it is not good for you to stand firmly like this when the mighty wind comes, blows. Okay, you should polite the wind. Otherwise, like that, it didn't complete the sentence. Before that, Jamun tree was so angry and told to it that nobody can do anything to me, nobody can spoil me. Regard not to spoil or destroy. Okay, even a mighty wind, a big wind, strong wind can't do anything to me. Okay, so then what happened? Let us find out. उस समय चल रही मंद मंद हवा ने जामुन के पेड़ तथा बांस के पेड़ के बीच चल रहे संवाद को सुन लिया. संवाद को सुन लिया. उस समय एट दैट टाइम मंद मंद हवा चल रही थी. क्या है मंद मंद हवा? दैट मीन्स जस्ट सॉफ्ट विंड. Okay, soft wind was blowing very softly. The wind was blowing, and that wind ने क्या किया? It heard what these trees are talking. Okay, जामुन के पेड़ और बांस के पेड़ के बीच चले संवाद, conversation. संवाद यानी conversation. It heard, the wind heard the conversation between the bamboo tree and the black plum tree. Okay, हवा जामुन के पेड़ से तेज वेग से टकराती हुई आगे निकल गई. हवा ने क्या किया? दिस तेज विंड, द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड, it became strong, isn't it? The wind, it was earlier very soft wind it was, and after hearing the conversation it became strong, isn't it? Blow strongly. Then कुछ देर उपरांत, after few time, after some time, क्या हुआ? उपरांत means के बाद, after, उपरांत. Okay, अपने में उसने क्या किया? देखो, उसके बाद कुछ देर उपरांत अपने में कुछ और शक्ति समेटते हुए हवा ने अपने आप को और वेगशाली बना लिया. आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर सम टाइम, अगेन इट बिकेम स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अर्लियर, इसंट इट? अपने में शक्ति समेट लिया. इट गैदर्ड सम मोर स्ट्रेंथ इन इट, इसंट इट? शक्ति को समेटना, टू कलेक्ट or to gain the power. Okay, then अपने आप को वेगशाली बना दिया, और वेगशाली बना दिया. वेगशाली यानी strong and fast moving, isn't it? Became it started to blow very fast or very strong. Okay, वो हवा एक तूफान में बदल गई. वो हवा एक तूफान में बदल गई. This strong wind became a तूफान. What is तूफान? Storm, isn't it? एक storm बन गई. बांस का पेड़ उस तेज हवा के टकराने से लगभग पूरा ही झुक गया था. वो बैम्बू ट्री ने क्या किया? बैम्बू ट्री को क्या हुआ? It just bowed completely. It was going completely in the direction of the wind. Okay, the wind's direction. It bowed completely. We can see that. It is so flexible. That's why it can bend or bow. The same direction, the wind's direction. Okay, then what happened to the geometry? We'll find out. फिर वही तूफानी हवा जामुन के पेड़ से दोबारा जा टकराई. One earlier it hit that means the strong wind passed on this geometry earlier, isn't it? The strong wind has just touched the geometry and blow. It was blowing that way. Second time also dobara. What's mean dobara? For the second time, it was blowing like that, very fast. Okay. Takrana to go and hitting someone. So the wind hit this strong geometry again. Okay, what type of wind? It was very strong, storm actually. तूफानी हवा के टकराने से उस पेड़ को कोई असर नहीं हुआ. What happened? Nothing happened to the geometry, the plum tree, because it was so strong. You know that. कोई असर नहीं हुआ. No result, no effect. Okay, there was no effect on this which tree geometry. वह ज्यों का त्यों ही खड़ा रहा. ज्यों का त्यों means like that itself, no change. ज्यों का त्यों, no change at all as earlier itself. Okay, it was standing like that. उस तूफानी हवा ने फिर से उस पेड़ की जड़ों पर प्रहार किया. That stormy wind, that means very big wind, strong wind, storm. Again it started to hit on the geometry. It was blowing on the geometry. Okay, prahar means beating or hitting. Okay, it was again coming and hitting on this geometry. Then what had happened? इस वजह, due to this, इस वजह से उसकी जड़ें कमजोर हो गई. What happened to the geometry? The strong wind, the storm was coming and hitting on the geometry continuously. Because of this, what happened? Its roots became weak. Okay, the roots of the geometry became weak. Okay, कमजोर हो गई. कमजोर यानी weak. उस पेड़ की शाखाओं ने तूफानी हवाओं को रोकने की भरपूर कोशिश की, परंतु तेज हवाओं ने पूरी शक्ति लगाकर उन शाखाओं को पीछे की ओर धकेल दिया. उस पेड़ की शाखाओं ने, the branches of this tree, geometry, tried a lot. भरपूर कोशिश means trying a lot. Okay, बहुत हार्ड वर्क की, ट्राई किया, बहुत परिश्रम की. क्या करने की? तूफानी हवाओं को रोकने की. It tried a lot to stop, or what you call stop this, otherwise control this a storm, isn't it? But it could not. but तेज हवाओं ने, this strong wind, उसके कारण क्या हुआ? पूरी शक्ति लगाकर उन शाखाओं को पीछे की ओर धकेल दिया. The strong wind pushed these branches to the back side, isn't it? To the opposite direction. इस प्रकार जामुन का पेड़ अपना संतुलन खो बैठा. So what happened? The jamun tree loses its balance. Okay, संतुलन, balance. खो बैठना, losing something. खो बैठा, past tense, lost. Okay. उसकी जड़ें कमजोर हो गई तथा अपना स्थान छोड़ दिया. क्या हुआ? उसकी जड़ें, the roots of the geometry, roots of the tree became very weak, and it is separated from these roots are separated from the ground, isn't it? Then it fell down, the geometry fell on the ground. और धराशायी हो गया. धराशायी, धरा means धरती, ground. शायी means to lie or down, पड़ना, नीचे पड़ना, isn't it? धराशायी होना, fell on the ground. So वो धराशायी हो गया, जामुन का ट्री धराशायी हो गया. मतलब जामुन ट्री, the black plum tree fell on the ground, fell down. Okay. जामुन के पेड़ का अंत देखकर बांस का पेड़ दुखी मन से सोचने लगा. जामुन का पेड़ का अंत देखकर, जामुन का पेड़ का अंत हुआ है ना, the end of the tree. Who saw with its own eyes in front of the bamboo tree, the jamun tree fell down, and seeing this, what happened? बांस का पेड़, bamboo tree became so sad. दुखी हुआ, दुखी मन से सोचने लगे, start to think very sadly like this. आखिरकार यानी at last, जामुन के पेड़ का अंत हो ही गया. At last, the geometry's end. I could see the end. No, I destroyed. No, by the wind. It fell down. आकाश, उसने मेरा कहा माना होता. Kash, perhaps it obeyed me. No, maybe it can save itself, but nothing happened like that. और हवा का आदर किया होता. As I said, if it's obeying me and it's respecting the what you call mighty wind, maybe it will be the jamun tree also. Now also I can see the jamun tree here, but nothing happened like that. परंतु यह तो घमंडी था, but it was so arrogant. The jamun tree was so arrogant and proud, isn't it? That's why it fell down. उसे शायद यह नहीं मालूम था कि perhaps maybe the tree does not know about this fact that घमंडी का सिर हमेशा नीचा होता है. कैसे नीचा होता है? Maybe the jamun tree don't know about this fact that always the arrogant persons, what will happen to them? Their head always seems down, isn't it? They will fall down at last one day. They will never get any respect from others. So mind it, children. You also don't be arrogant, be polite to everyone. Read the chapter properly and see the word meanings, okay, stanzas, everything, study properly. Okay, thank you.